So let's make our Greek salad for today. We have feta cheese here. Let's check. There we have lemon, red onion, cucumber, peppers, black olives, and tomatoes. Ayan, ready na ang ating mga ingredients. So, ayan yung ating dressing. It's lemon, olive oil, salt and pepper, and dried parsley, feta cheese, red onion, ayan na yung pepper, cucumber, tomatoes, and olives. So, everything is ready to go. Cucumber. Okay, next are peppers. And we have tomatoes. And we have our black olives. And then we have our red onions. And we have our feta cheese. Then let's add our dressing and we mix it. There you go, our salad is ready. It's Greek salad. Enjoy!